Lorex's professional-grade LNB9272 4K bullet-style camera is part of the Nocturnal line and offers a host of features that are revolutionary. Made of heavy-duty high-grade aluminum, the LNB9272 is rugged and robust and will last for years, even in the harshest of climates. The camera can be mounted horizontally or vertically and is ideally suited for exterior usage. The base of the camera has solid metal structure to support the ball mount and has cable notches to accommodate for surface mounting. The LNB9272 is fully weatherproof and is IP67 rated. It can operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera houses a large image sensor featuring back-illuminated pixel technology, which results in superior low-light performance. As well, the camera's 8.5 megapixel sensor delivers 4K UHD resolution, 4 times that of 1080p HD, resulting in sharper imaging. The LNB9272 can deliver high-quality night vision up to 350 feet using infrared, and an amazing 300 feet of color night vision when external lights are used. Unique to this camera is a 4x optical zoom. This gives the user flexibility and can deliver up to 102 degrees field of view, but the field of view can be adjusted using the NVR zoom menu. The LNB9272 is capable of recording 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, which helps to deliver smooth on-screen movement. Smooth, high-definition frame rates means you won't miss any visual details. Cameras that record in lower frame rates can only resolve a choppy image and could potentially miss critical movements. As well as delivering stunning image quality, the LNB9272 is capable of capturing high-quality audio with a built-in microphone. The camera also has a speaker that allows the user to communicate directly to individuals within range. The LNB9272 utilizes PoE or Power over Ethernet, with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is ONVIF compliant, an international standard for IP network cameras. Lorex has packed a number of important features into this camera. HDR, or high dynamic range, ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. The menu references this feature as WDR, or wide dynamic range. The camera is also equipped with 3D DNR, or digital noise reduction, to filter out noise created from low light settings. 3D DNR not only reduces noise, but can also reduce the video file sizes on the storage device. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB9272 utilizes HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Codec H.265, which keeps file sizes small, yet maintains high video quality. Using the NVR, the user can define up to 4 motion zones. This will help keep unwanted motion events to a minimum. Another great feature is privacy masking. By selecting an area using the NVR menu, you can mask out areas where you may not want any recordings, such as neighboring windows. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a template for hole placement, a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options. A 24-hour surveillance window security sticker and a 100-foot Cat5e cable are both included in the kit. The cable features a secure locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. A Torx key is included in the kit. The LNB9272 is a feature-packed professional-grade camera for all your security needs.